morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The dollar-yen pair has gained 0.3% in the last session. The CCI has shifted sharply into the positive zone. Bitcoin has remained muted in the last session. The Williams indicator transitioned into overbought territory. The price of gold has added 1.7% in the last 3 sessions. Stochastic has slightly receded into the positive zone. The price of crude oil has remained as is in the last session. The ultimate oscillator transitioned sharply into the positive area.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Wall Street ended higher after a seesaw session as investors digested mixed quarterly results and contentious stimulus negotiations in Washington. Google, Twitter, and Facebook could soon face a class action lawsuit relating to the banning of cryptocurrency-related advertising. A steady decline in the dollar has accelerated in recent weeks as a resurgent coronavirus outbreak in the U.S. and improving economic prospects abroad sour investors on the currency.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The UK retail sales will be released at 400 GMT, the German manufacturing PMI at 530 GMT, the U.S. manufacturing PMI at 1145 GMT, the U.S. services PMI at 1145 GMT, the U.S. new home sales at 1200 GMT, and the U.S. Baker Hughes oil rig count at 1500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.